Hello everybody, this is office company Rau Drum filter, and I will show our product. This is filter 5 km for 1 hour, small drum. This is 25 km for 1 hour and 35 km for 1 hour. This drum filter for koi pond or for small farm, aquaponic farm. Now I show 35 kuba, 35,000 liter for 1 hour. This is 25 km for 1 hour. This pipe for pump. This pipe for water outside, cleaning already. And small filter. This 5 km for 1 hour. $25. See, 25 kuba and 35 kuba. This is example how work filter 25 km for 1 hour. You can see control box. Turn left, open all system, pump and motor reductor. And turn right, only motor reductor. And stop. Or we can open automatic system. Now I open lid and show how it works. This have sensor. We can regulate sensor level. Look, I open and filter off. Yeah, and stop. And he save water and electrical, and he open only when mesh dirty and level water in first place up and turn on sensor, and he opened all system. Okay, all system you can see work around 10 seconds, and you can regulate this is you can regulate how long time he work, 5 seconds, 20, 1 minute. Yeah, and this is so you can see our fish pond with koi fish. Yeah, this is our small office. Okay, thank you for looking.